in-announce niya while doing rounds sa Pabella Hospital with Secretary Ted Herbosa. Sinoli niya yung 60 billion.
Yes.
So it's a belated admission of guilt. Para isoli niya yun, napagtanto ko, alam niya na defunding it. Ngayon, ba't i-allow yun ni Secretary Amena? So, liable, no, dito, I'm also calling for the resignation of Secretary Recto and Secretary Amena kasi dapat may maintain mo integrity. Kung babasahin mo ito, alam ng economic managers and even the President knew about this kasi kung hindi, bakit niya isosoli yung pera?
President Marcos has ordered the return of 60 billion pesos po. Ano? Ano nangyari? Nasaan na? Naibalik na ba ito sa monitoring ninyo?
Wala pa silang detalye kung paano isosoli. Taga PhilHealth mismo nagsabi, hinihintay pa namin ho yung detalye
kung paano isosoli.